Leopard designated 4B remains sedated. No change in transit parameters.
Sample secure.
Vials organized. Vitals remain stable at 95 BPM.
Drawing the renal panel now.
Place it in rack 7. All vitals stable.
Vitals on pod 4 holding steady. Blood sample secured.
Confirmed. Logging the sample now and preparing for transfer.
Check the alignment on that hide. Looks good. Sending it through to station 3. Get that last one in there. All right, secure the door. Check the alignment on that hide. Looks good. Sending it through to station 3.
I'm setting the tunnel to 130 degrees.
Confirmed. The skins are drying evenly at that temperature.
What did you get on this section?
0.2 above the threshold.
Check the temperature reading on panel C.
It's stable. Go ahead and increase the drum rotation speed now.
Look at this spot right here. It's not smooth. I see it. We need to reject this section. The pressure is set. Okay, reading 15 microns. Record that.
The pressure is stabilizing now.
Good. Let's maintain it at 0.5 for the next pass.
The pattern alignment seems correct on this batch.
Confirmed. The adjustments stabilize the spray.
Check the alignment on sector 3. It's shifting slightly.
Adjusting the flow rate now. We are running ahead of schedule on these hides.
Good, let's keep monitoring the power output. This one is torn, put it on the reject pile. Okay, this one is good quality.
See the scarring here? That won't pass.
Agreed. We need only the best for this batch.
How are the gold eyelets coming along?
Almost done with this batch.
We need 29 pairs ready for shipment by noon.
The jacket looks perfect in the foam.
Yes, and the shoes are secure, ready for shipment.
Handbag, belt, gloves, wallet, jacket, and shoes, all accounted for.
The velvet lining really makes the leopard leather pop.
Next one coming through. Watch the stack on the left.
Bring the large one next. Okay, watch your step. Next one, move it quickly. Coming right up, keep the line moving. Pass the box, watch your step.
Got it. Next one over here.
Keep them coming, we need more space on the left.
Watch your clearance on the right. Clear the ramp. Keep coming.
Keep it coming slow, easy right turn. Clear on the left, watch the ramp. All clear, keep moving.